Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a last minute video just to show you some quick tips and tricks if you're trying to wrap up your team and get ready for tomorrow morning. I'm in my 6th grade team right now, so I condensed all of my classes into 2 teams. And right when the students log in, they should see, this right here. So I just did a quick little welcome post, and I attached the expectations or syllabus, whatever you want to call it, right there so they could easily open it and access it, but it's also in the Files tab. So whenever you attach a file to your announcements, you don't have to go back to the files and add it again. It automatically drops it in there for you. So just a quick little trick there so that you don't have to do it twice. So I have that there ready for them, and then the next thing they'll see is the to-do list they have for this week. So I did give them a little bit of extra time just because I thought that the next week or so might be a little bit chaotic for everyone, especially if they don't have their computers yet. So I gave them a little extra time. But I just quickly bulleted everything that I expect them to get done before that Friday, and that way that they can always reference this and go back to it throughout the week or so. So here haven't quite finished it yet, but I'm going to attach a little intro video for them so that they can see how to access all of these different resources. Even though we've done it before, I just wanted to quickly show them what I expect them to do, and that should hopefully cut down on some of the questions and emails before my office hours. So one quick thing I wanted to show you in case you want to do something like this is Flipgrid. So a lot of you are already familiar with it, but if you are wondering how to get students to record something since we can't see them on the office hours, you could set up an Educator Flipgrid. It's through Microsoft, so it's pretty simple. You don't have to create an account. It's already done for you since we have Office 365. And with a Flipgrid, and I'll just show you really quickly here when this loads, the students can do it on their phones or on the computer. So if they have a webcam, they can use the computer. And this is just a little grid is what it's called, where students can add a response here by just clicking the plus button, and you can set say a minute or 2 minutes for them to just quickly ask questions, say hello, share thoughts. So if you're just looking for a little bit more interactivity and something that the kids really love, this is something you could play around with. Not that you need to do it tonight, but I just wanted to share that with you all. Going back to my team, I made sure that I included all of the resources right there so that they don't have to go anywhere else but this post to see what they need to do. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is down here where I've already pre-scheduled all of my office hours so that I don't have to create a meet now or a meeting every single day that I have office hours. So because I have 6th grade office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and 7th and 8th on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I set it so that it would reoccur. So I'm going to show you really quickly how that works. I have to click the camera button at the bottom. So I'm going to click Meet Now. Okay, sorry, my hair's all wet because I just showered. So you're going to add in a subject right here, so you might want to put like office hours, or I call it Learn Live. And then you're going to click Schedule a Meeting. So once you go in here to schedule it, you do not have to put anything here for the required attendees because anyone who's in the team can automatically join the meeting. So here you're going to set your very first day, which might be Monday, and let's say your office hours are from 1 until 2, right? But you don't want to do this every single day, so you're going to want to go ahead and schedule it out so that you can do either every weekday, or if yours are alternating like mine, you can go down here to Custom. And here you can do repeats every week, and then you can actually just go through and select the different days you want it to appear. Then down here, this is the description that pops up under post for them, so you're going to want to put something detailed and let them know, hey, here's where you need to click to join our meeting. So you might say, you know, click on this to join our live office hours, or something to that effect. And you can actually customize it and change the colors and all that if you want. You can even put little quick reminders here, so if you wanted to bullet point it and remind them, like be sure to mute your microphone. It is optional. Use the conversation button to chat with me. Just some quick little reminders you can put on there for them. And then all you do is click send. Now, once you click send, it's going to appear like mine here. So I'm going to discard this since I already have it. It's going to look just like this. And this should pop up every single day for them so that they don't have to keep scrolling back up. So it makes it really quick and easy for them just to click right here and join your live meeting. So that's just a quick little few tips and tricks, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to email me, call or text, whatever you need. And that's it. Good luck.